Morning everyone. We're 20k into the ride already here, and I've got a new mount. I've got a new mount. I've got a TheProStandard bite mount, which is interesting. You're basically chucking your gob. Thank you. Oh yeah, how's it going? Like so. And it's interesting because I've got quite a bad gag reflex. So I can only keep the mount in there for short periods. But let's see how it goes. Coffee time. Now I'm filming with the GoPro 11 Black Mini. That's a mouthful, isn't it? And also the ProStandard bites mount, which goes in my gob. And yeah, hopefully it's got some good footage. I have no idea what the angle is. Got my fingers over the lens there, that's not going to help, is it? And why did I want a grill mount? Well, I looked at some of the Fernley videos that he's edited, and he has some great shots, and I asked him how he got those on YouTube, and he said the ProStandard gill mount. Fish out of water! Arr! ProStandard grill mount, and yeah, so I've already got the chesty mount. Insert clip here. I have the rear-facing under-seat mount. Insert another clip. I also have the bar mount. And I've got the head camera mount, which I don't use because it makes me look like a Teletubby. That's good. Hiya, thank you. So where were we? We were talking about swapping cameras, and I've swapped cameras. So there's the GoPro ProStandard grill mount. Just pop it in, Mr. Sear, you won't feel a thing. And off we go! And off we go! Was that as pathetic as it felt? I don't know really. Is that even recording? That's not recording anymore. Or at least this one is. Okay. Okay, I've built up a bit of a sweat now. Let's see if the drop of death looks any more gnarly from the grill mount. I doubt it will, but it'll be interesting. like on a gravel bike, the large roots at the end were more gnarly than the actual slight slope that I just rode down. I'm definitely getting the gag reflex. It took us sort of about 25-30 seconds.
Because your jaw gets tired.
Hey?
Because your jaw gets tired.
Yeah. I wouldn't make a decent porn star. Here we go! Second time, drop of death. Whee! So a summary of the grill mount and the brief amount of time that I had to use it. Quite easy to use, isn't it? It's a little bit uncomfortable. As I mentioned earlier on, I do have a bit of a gag reflex, but I found that if you keep your tongue forward, then it reduces that gag reflex, which is good. I quite like the fact that I can just stick it in my back pocket and then grab it out. Hang on. Yeah, the dog's moved for me. Thank you. Not sure I'd want to watch a whole video of footage from the grill mount, but I think it's just a useful addition to add to the other mounting positions that I've got. So what do you think? Post some comments below, and have you got a grill mount? Or I think GoPro do a sort of a similar tool fitment mount. Post in the comments below.